We're at Nashua North High School. I just went here 5 months ago. I just graduated, so it's pretty cool to be back here.
So we actually brought Aiden, who's our first year asset student. He's been with us since the summer working. We met him actually last year at this time here. He came in multiple times. We gave him a tour, walked him around the building. He was very persistent.
It's really cool because I get to provide the same opportunity that I was provided with. So, giving them a path for success, similar to what I'm trying to do now, it's pretty cool.
We really enjoy coming to the schools and talking to the students and getting them excited. Live locally to work for us, right? Because it's good, it's community, right? Like we all build from the community.
Great turnout. There was a lot of students here. I felt like all the students today were very engaging, asked a lot of questions. So overall, a great event.
We're joined by Ford Motor Company as well as Lakes Region Community College. Today was a good opportunity for the ones that were engaged. They all came around and I got to have good conversations with them in the back of the shop to talk about the different colleges that are in the area, the scholarships that we offer, and all the support from industry so these students can get into it and become technicians. The benefit from these programs is you get them all done in 2 years.
We want to start talking to you now as juniors because next year, right, we want to start talking for the serious people that really want to get into the field. So I'm happy to be back, and like I said, we've definitely pulled some great students out of here.